Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by deciding what your audience wants. Intent guides every choice. First, pick 1-3 seed terms and group them by intent: informational, transactional, navigational. Once done, expand each seed to 10-20 related keywords using a keyword tool or search suggestions, and make sure to note search volume and difficulty. You act now on the highest relevance terms. Choose those you can realistically rank for. This keeps your work focused and prevents wasted effort on unlikely targets. You next map keywords to specific pages. This prevents cannibalization and clarifies purpose. For each page, assign one primary keyword and 3 to 5 secondary variations that support the primary. Then implement them where they matter. Title tag, URL slug, H1, and within the first 100 words. This tells search engines and users you're relevant. Once implemented, sprinkle natural synonyms and related phrases to capture long-tail traffic without keyword stuffing, and make sure internal links reinforce the mapping strategy. You finish by optimizing and measuring. Track rankings, click-through rates, and conversions for your top keywords weekly so you can see what's working. Make small tests, swap title tags or meta descriptions to boost CTR, and update content with fresh examples or data to lift dwell time. If performance drops, troubleshoot. Inspect technical SEO, robots, speed, canonical, fill content gaps, and review backlink health. One key tip: when nothing helps, revert to the last known good version and compare changes to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.